In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Quikshort. Quikshort is an app that you can use for creating shortcuts on your device. Alright, so the first type of shortcut I'll be talking about is the tiles. So with this app, you can create 15 tiles. Tiles are all these shortcuts you see here. So if you tap on any of them, it will take you to an app or to activate a function. If I tap this, it should turn on my flashlight. So to do this, you tap on tiles, and you're going to have this option down here to create one. So you're going to have to choose, do you want to create a shortcut to an app, contacts, files, whatever it is. There are so many settings you can choose from, but for this tutorial I'm going to be sticking to apps. So let's say you have your favorite app and you don't want to have to head over to all your apps and then you search for the app. Well, from here you can choose the app you want to quickly have access to. So for this tutorial, I'll be using this browser. It's Aloha. So I'll tap on it, and then you don't have to change anything from here, but if you want to, you can change the icon. Tap this and tap OK, and then you choose an icon that you can easily recognize. So let's just pick this one. I don't know why I chose it. It's just to make sure I don't spend too much time on this video. So after that, one thing I've noticed is that the name, like the label for each app or each shortcut, doesn't really work. So you can type anything you want here, but it won't show up. And after doing that, you tap on this, then tap Add Tile. Now, if I swipe down from my notification panel, you should see, oh, okay, the label actually works. Now I can, maybe they made an update, but you can see that it says Aloha over here. I'm glad it actually works well now. So if I tap on this, it's going to open the browser. I don't have to go through all my apps to actually access the browser. So that's one thing you can do using the app. You can create up to 15 tiles that you can add over here. Okay, so the next type of shortcut you can create is the home screen shortcuts. So I just tapped the shortcut button up here. If I create a new one, I can have any of these as a shortcut on my home screen. There's a lot to do over here, but I just want to make this video as simple as possible. So let's say you have a particular file on your phone that you always want to have access to. So if you tap on files, it's going to give you a list of all the files you have. These are all videos that I shot using the phone. But okay, let's say this one. So this is it. You can change the name. I'll call this Call of Duty gameplay. So this is the name of the shortcut that I'll be creating, and then I'll tap here to save it, and it's going to ask me if I want to send it to my home screen. If I tap add to home screen, it's going to be added like an app. But if I tap on it now, it's going to ask me how I want to play it, because the shortcut is to a video file. So I can play it with MX Player. It's one of the video players that I use. So as you can see, this is the file playing. I didn't have to go through all my videos to have quick access to this one. So that's how you use the shortcut function of Quikshort. This option will send your shortcuts to the home screen. This one will send your shortcuts to your quick tiles here. And this one is a group of shortcuts. Like if you have many shortcuts here, maybe I had like 10 here and 3 are somewhat related, then I can use this to create a group. So I'll tap create group and name it, let's say test. You name it what you want. And if you tap the plus button, it's going to ask you to add from shortcuts or you create a new one. If I tap create a new one, it's the same option that I had for creating shortcuts. So normally I would recommend you create all your shortcuts here, and then when you create your groups, you can add as many shortcuts from here as possible to your groups. If you have questions, please let me know in the comments, and if you need one-on-one help, you can check the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one.